get them up. Everybody up, love we look, yeah, get them up.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're gonna for this video. Today we're gonna work on the engine real quick. We're gonna put on some goodies on the motor. Gonna swap this out, and yeah, guys. And also we just got some 3-inch shorties intake. So yeah, guys, so let's get into the video, man. And before we go any further into the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, guys, soon this shit will is gonna go to the shop to get all this shit sorted out. But yeah, guys, right now we're gonna work on the motor right now. Swapped out some of those, and yeah. And if y'all didn't see the video when I'm taking out the motor, go and check it out. I posted up like a couple days ago. So yeah, guys, let's get it. Okay, guys, so I just take off this turbo right here. Just take off this turbo. So yeah, guys, I think this is supposed to be over here. Yeah, it's supposed to be over here. So yeah, just take off this one. I'm gonna put on the other stock one right there. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna swap this out real quick. I'm probably gonna change the gasket, although it's in good shape, but I got some new ones right here. So I'm gonna save these and I'm gonna use the new ones. And yeah, guys, gonna need a banjo bolt for this side. So yeah, let's get it. Okay, guys, so I just put on this one. Should have got the 13 turbo. So just put on this one. I disconnect the battery, the starter, I mean, from right here. So I'm gonna put it back when I'm done. But make sure when you guys put it on, y'all connect back your lines right here for the oil. So we got one right there, we got one right here. So make sure y'all connect it back. And now we're gonna put back all of this. And I think this is the, let me see. I think that's a vacuum hose or something like that. I also got one right here. So yeah, guys, I think this one, I think coolant go through this one, I mean this one right here, and this one I think vacuum or something like that. But yeah, as I said before, I also got some intakes from Boosted 6 Auto Works, so go and check him out. You got down pipes and everything you'll need. And also I swapped out the gasket from right here too. So okay, guys, so make sure when y'all put it back, this one right here should go to this one that wraps around the intercooler part right there. And this one should come from the throttle body from right here. Right there comes to this one. And as I said before, put back the line right there, put it back on the turbo. And yeah, and also I got the down pipes and everything already, as I said before in the other video, so go and check it out. Okay, guys, so I'm finished with this side now. Everything buttoned up, everything on again. I got the intercoolers around the back, so when I do the other side, just like this, also I'm gonna take off this turbo right here, this stock one, and I'm gonna put back on the other one. As you can see, the other one got the O2 sensors and everything in it already. So yeah, also I'm gonna have to get a piece of, I think I'm gonna have to get a piece of hose for right here. I think one of the hose pop or something like that for the vacuum hose. So yeah, I'm off to get probably a next piece for it. So yeah guys, now we're on the passenger side now. So let's take off the turbo and then put this one on. Okay guys, so this is the next turbo. I'm gonna put on the next side. Yeah, so this gonna go right here as I said, and I'm gonna use the new gasket on this side. Okay guys, so I put on this one now, the passenger side. So now I'm gonna have to put back the banjo bolt right there for the oil feed. And yeah, I just stack it up like right now so I could like do everything. But yeah guys, this one on. Okay guys, so this is how far I reach in the install. Passenger side on, but I got some bolts to put on, as you can see right there. But this one right here was a bitch, that one with the banjo bolt, but this is gonna be easy. This hose is a vacuum hose, come from the valve cover right there. So this, I'm gonna have to get a different one for this to go on the intake. So yeah guys, so far I'm at. So both of the turbos are on. Got this piece. So yeah guys, so I'm gonna button down everything and then I'm gonna put the intercoolers on top so y'all could see how it looks. But yeah guys, I'm like almost done with this. Could say I'm halfway done, but I got the intercoolers to put on and a couple more screws and then that's it. Okay guys, so I'm about to put on the intercoolers real quick. About to put on back the intercoolers, and for these you're gonna need a 7mm to tighten the clamps. Yeah, also remember you're gonna need clamps for down here too on both sides, but I got two right there already, and I think I got some in this, or I got one right here. But yeah, it's gonna be 7mm. So I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse and y'all gonna see how I do it, man. So let's get it.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas, mad snakes in the.
Okay guys, so this side is finished. Only thing to do right now is just to tighten this coupler right here, but everything tightened already up top. Let me take this off so you guys could see. Okay, so, and I'm off to tighten this one right here, but everything else tighten up, connected. This is right here, this is the mass airflow sensor to go in the intakes right there. Yeah guys, so here's the VR30 motor. Also guys, don't forget these are air to water intercooler, so make sure y'all tighten up back everything when y'all put it in on. Connect back the sensor right here and the O2 sensor right there. So yeah guys, so time to do the driver side now. And also make sure y'all put back the AC lines underneath the turbo, and y'all put it back together. But yeah guys, we are far into the video, man. And if y'all reach this far into the video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah guys, we almost there. Hey guys, so I finished installing everything. I also kept these off for right now, so nothing won't go in them. And yeah guys, these are the intakes too. I'm gonna have to get a mass airflow sensor for this side. But yeah guys, intakes on. And these are some 3-inch intakes, some shorties from Boasted 6 AutoWorks. I'm gonna put his link down in the description, so y'all could go check out his store. He got everything. And also, if y'all in South Florida, y'all could hit him up on IG for any parts y'all need for any B58 or VR30. So yeah guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. So I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.